In this video, we will review the NodeMaven Proxy and see if it's actually worth your money. So NodeMaven is a premium proxy provider specifically tailored for affiliate marketers, web scrapers, data miners, and multi-account managers. With this, you can buy high-quality residential mobile ISP proxies. So what makes it worth trying is this proprietary IP quality filter. So NodeMaiden's standout feature is this. Every IP passes through a real-time quality assurance algorithm to weed out flag, blacklisted, or data center addresses before assigning them to you. They also have access to over 30 million residential IPs and 250,000 mobile IPs across 190 plus countries. You can see right here their pricing, which is around 3.75 per gig for 20 gig plan. You can also increase it up to around 1000 gigabytes with this particular price range, or around 200 or $2,200 per month only. You can also lock a single IP address for up to 24 hours without accidental drop-offs. Unused bandwidth does not expire at the end of the month. It rolls over to your next billing cycle as long as your plan remains active. So NodeMaiden offers a financial guarantee where it credits €1 back to your account if a proxy fails. So you can head over and click on this try for option right here in order to actually try NodeMaven. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.